Welcome to Nan Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make tom yum soup. For the tom yum soup, one of the main ingredients is a shrimp. Today I use a fresh shrimp. First of all, you will wash all the shrimps with the water to clean out all the sand and the dirtiness, and after that you will make separate the head and the body. Here I have a little tips for you how to devein in the shrimp. So for that you need a toothpick, and you will use the toothpick from the second joint. Just poke it and just pull it out. It's so cool and so easy. So you will make a separate the body and the head. The head you will use as like a stock, the main base of the tom yum soup. So you will do it the same all the remaining shrimps. After you clean all the shrimps, we need a pot where you are going to make the tom yum soup, and you will add all the shrimp's head where you keep the separately, and you will put it in the pot and you will roast it until all the water is gone from the shrimp's head and evaporated, and you will get the aroma smell. So that's the time is ready for to put the hot water. For the water, you will add maybe like 4 cups of water. It depends on the size of the pot that how much you want to add. For the tom yum soup, we need 3 kinds of herbs: lemongrass, galangal, and lime leaves. For me today, I will use the 2 stalks of lemongrass. I will cut it into half, and I will take only the first big part because the first big part has more aromatic. So I just took only the first part, and the rest of the part you can keep it separate. After I cut the lemongrass, I will use the mortar to bend the stalk so the aromatic will come out. After you bend with the mortar or the lemongrass, you will cut it into small pieces, and then you will keep it separate. Now the time for the galangal. Galangal, here you cannot use the ginger, and it will end up with the different taste. So the galangal is one of the important herbs. So you will just slice it like that, and you will keep it together with the lemongrass. Now this is the time for the lime leaves. So for the lime leaves, you will just stir it roughly, just let the aroma to come out. So this lime leaf will carry all the aromatic smell for the tom yum soup. Now this is the time for to add the 3 kinds of herbs. Now our stock is ready, so we will add the 3 kinds of herbs which we prepared earlier. So let to boil like 5 to 10 minutes, or the aromatic will come out. After we add the 3 kinds of herbs, and now about 10 minutes of boiling, so this is the time to add the coconut cream. So I use the ready-made coconut cream for one-time use only. It's come in the small container, and it's like a solid form, and once you add it, it will be dissolved in the stock. So just keep it for 5-10 minutes again. Just keep boiling with a very slow fire. So while boiling the stock, and this is the time for the mushroom. Today I will use the straw mushroom. This is one of my favorite mushroom. Just slice it thinly, and it's up to you which mushroom you like to use and available at home, and you can use it. So just simply slice it like that, and you can add it in the stock. Now our shrimp stock is boiling nicely, so we will add the prepared mushroom. So let's add the mushroom in the stock. So mushroom doesn't need to cook long, just 5 minutes is enough with the low fire. So just stir it and just keep boiling. After you add the mushroom, this is the time to add the fish sauce. Fish sauce I measure with it 1 tablespoon only. If you think that you need it more, you can add it more later. And I will add the tom yum paste. This tom yum paste, you can find it easily in the market. It's come in the jar. So I will use like 2 tablespoons of tom yum paste. Or some people, they like to add chili paste separately, but for me I don't eat much spicy, so this is enough for me. Okay, then this is the time to add the lemon juice. I add the lemon juice is how much you like to use the sourness. It will make the well balanced in the taste the tom yum soup. This is one of the important as well, so just wait for like 2 minutes. Yes, now our tom yum soup is about to ready by adding the coriander leaves from the top. So it will make a perfect tom yum soup. So then now this is the time to turn off the flame, and our tom yum soup is ready to serve. Oh, this is very aromatic and flavorful tom yum soup. Please try it guys and you will like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.